We're working on Dream City, City Dreams project, and this is the idea of the project is to get a German artist and an Indian artist together to do workshops for school children that they can express themselves through different types of art techniques to find out what their ideal Malleshwaram is, and they're going to try to either do a collage or draw it or color it. And
what we try today is get them out of their rubber construction, roller construction forms that they are used to do, to create something free and open-minded stuff. I hope they are able to draw some houses that even don't exist right now, and yeah, hopefully.
If you want to start drawing, give me a clap. All right.
ನದಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಎರಡು ಪ್ರಾಣಿಗಳು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ.
ನನ್ನ ಡ್ರೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೇಚರ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತು. ಅದು ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಮೌಂಟೇನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದು ನೀರು ಹರ್ಕೊಂಬರಂಗೆ, ಮತ್ತು ಅದರಿಂದ ಆಚೆಗೆ 2 ಕೊಕೊನಟ್ ಟ್ರೀ, ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಒಂದು ಗುಡಿಸ್ಲಿ. ಓಡಾಡೋದಲ್ಲ, ಕಾಡು ಥರ, ಅದೊಂಥರ ಹಳೆ ಕಾಲದ ಮನೆ ಥರ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮನುಷ್ಯರು ಇರಲ್ಲ.
In Malleshwaram, nowadays it's getting very pollution. If it's continue like this, it will be like a desert. Nobody will be there. Only rocks and hills. That's all it will be.
once they finish, then we'll take their artworks and display it right here on the street so that other people can see what the children imagine to be their future.
ನದಿ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ನದಿ ಅದು ಮಕ್ಕಳೆಲ್ಲ ಆಟ ಆಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರಲ್ಲ, ತುಂಬ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು.
ಎಲ್ಲ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳ್ಳಿ ವಾತಾವರಣ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದೆಯಲ್ರಿ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
We don't have much park space where locals could go sit and relax. There's no park at all other than the Sankey Tank. Earlier, whatever park we had, there the imagination is very nice, and the cycling definitely inside the Malleshwaram is a good one. We like this.